Before using adaptive cruise control, let's cover the safety considerations related to adaptive cruise control. Prerequisites for enabling adaptive cruise control. When the above conditions are met, adjust the left or right arrow buttons on the steering wheel to find the adaptive cruise control mode. When the icon indicator is grey, adaptive cruise control is in ready mode. Press the enable button. When the icon light turns green, adaptive cruise control is turned on. With adaptive cruise control enabled, you can adjust the adaptive cruise control speed with the plus or minus buttons and adjust the vehicle following distance with the left or right arrow buttons. The highest is level 3 and the lowest is level 1. When the highest or lowest level has been reached, further button presses will not have any effect. Pressing the brake pedal or the cancel button will deactivate adaptive cruise control and enter the ready mode. At this point, adaptive cruise control will no longer control the vehicle speed, and the driver should take control of the vehicle. Please note, in the following cases, adaptive cruise control will exit automatically and enter the ready mode. At this point, you must take control of the vehicle to ensure safety. With adaptive cruise control in the ready mode, pressing the resume button on the left of the steering wheel will enable adaptive cruise control. In the following cruise mode, if the vehicle ahead brakes gradually, your car will also stop gradually and keep a safe distance from it. When the stop time is less than 10 seconds, if the vehicle ahead runs again, cruise control will resume automatically. When the stop time is more than 10 seconds, the system will determine the surrounding conditions and the driver's status. If the conditions for automatic resume are not met and the vehicle ahead begins moving, the driver needs to press the accelerator pedal or press the resume button on the left of the steering wheel to resume cruise control. When the stop time is more than 3 minutes, adaptive cruise control will exit automatically. If the driver actively deactivates adaptive cruise control, the vehicle will not start moving automatically. If the accelerator pedal is pressed at this moment, the vehicle will start moving, and the driver should take control of the vehicle and drive safely. Adaptive cruise control may be affected by terrain conditions. Adaptive cruise control may be affected by lane changes or target vehicle changes. Adaptive cruise control may not respond to animals, pedestrians, irregular vehicles, vehicles loaded with irregular goods, or small vehicles. Adaptive cruise control is mostly suitable for driving on smooth roads. Adaptive cruise control is only an aid, and it cannot replace the driver when driving. The driver is always responsible for driving safely.